but the 203K, my dad told me about him. He said, son, do you know that you have an opportunity to acquire property and have money and to fix it up? I said, no, tell me more.
These houses aren't looking the way that they should, and we understand that. And a lot of times clients will walk away from properties because they think they just don't have the appetite to make it the home of their dreams, and we can help with that. Did you know that a home can be torn down to the slab and rebuilt with a 203K loan? If it goes down to the dirt, then it's a new construction. If it's down to the slab, you still have the foundation, we can build a brand new home. So clients that see that $40,000 house, we can help them with that, tear it down, and then build it back up.
It's pretty much like a regular purchase deal, right?
Say less, let's do it.
Usually work with a general contractor that will give you a warranty for 1 year, labor material.
In my opinion, the contractor is the key to everything. A bad contractor, this job is a nightmare. A good contractor, everybody's happy.
Now, Home Depot and Lowe's are verified contractors with rate. So if you have appliances, they will write up the scope for us for the appliances, and we can include that into the 203K financing. And we are a firm believer that ugly homes need love too, that we can show the possibilities. That when they come in and the first thing they say is, oh no, I don't want this. Well look, we can lift the ceiling up, we can put a stair here, we can add a bathroom, we can add a bedroom, we can finish the basement. Let them see the possibilities, all right? And then 203K is great for individuals that have a smaller budget and they're trying to find that dream home. They're like, I want the vaulted ceilings, I want, hardwood floors throughout. 203K could allow them to turn the home that isn't so pretty into the home of their dreams.